Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva to create an interactive PDF. So all you have to do is to go to the Canva app, or if you're using the website, go to the search bar and click on input interactive PDF, and you would see similar results to what is being displayed on my screen. Now, if you do not know what an interactive PDF is, an interactive PDF is a PDF used to ask a question or provide a fun and um, game-like structure to things. So they would ask you good something like this questions: yellow pill, indigo pill, pink pill, gray pill. What would you choose? I can't live without this, blah blah blah. So these are all interactive, just fun PDFs. So it's more like a game. So you can create it for your brand, for your business from time to time. Or so let's assume you are running a boutique. You could put different samples and say which would you wear to a gala or a gala night or an award ceremony. So this is how to just use them. So let's assume we have a business like that. Okay, well, let me just use this one that is already about dresses. So we can select one. Okay, we have the videos also. Okay, you can see below here, this is for breast cancer awareness. So we can use it to for a cause or something like. So let's assume we want to customize it. We just click on customize this template, and I can just edit the pictures out and put in my picture and rearrange it, and just a ask it a question like, would you wear this to a gala night or something? Would you wear this to a gala night? So I don't have any pictures now, so but if I think you guys get the drift. So this is how to create an interactive PDF, and you can also add more pages. So in case you are a teacher, you want to create an interactive PDF for your students, you could do something like this. It's a fun way to see life, if you say like that. Okay, so this is how to. I'm repeating myself at this point. So thank you guys and have a great day.